Okay, I got right here my Prony AP16s. These are not the newest, but a newer model. And with the newer models, they use these straps right here, which I don't really care for. I do love Prony as a company, and I love their products. I'm a big believer in the knee pads, and then their goof-proof wall trimmers I really love too. And I'm going to do a video on that also. And there's two flaws I found. Just this knee pad with this strap is a problem for me anyway. I think other guys might have the problem too. Is this strap right here tears apart the back of your leg if you wear shorts. I guess if you put a knee pad like a sleeve over and then put these, it's different. But so I know a lot of guys like to wear shorts, and that doesn't do very well for the back of your leg. So what I did and what I do is on all these knee pads, I always cut my excess off and I make a knot. That way it's set and it doesn't pull through. So these are already ready to go. I never have to adjust them. And what I did was I went on Amazon and I found these things right here. They're like, you see the bag right there. They have Velcro on them. See the inside? And they're meant to go around tie down straps. So like say you're tying down your motorcycle and you don't want the strap to damage the paint. You put these over the straps and it's got a soft thing there to protect your paint from your motorcycle or whatnot. So what I did with those is I think they have them in 12 and 10 inches long. And I got the 12s and I put them on here, see? So that's now going to protect the back of my leg. And it just wraps around. You Velcro the back of it there. So I'm hoping this solves the problem. And then I have another video I want to do regarding the goof-proof wall trimmers. I have two of those over here. And like I said, I really love them, but there is a flaw in them. I'm going to show you in the video. And I got to actually take the blade out to show you. But what ends up happening is when you cut your wall, you have a blade here and you have a blade here, depending on which direction you're going. So if you're going, say, this way, you put the blade out on this side and then vice versa. And what happens is as you push and you hit obstacles and you push through, the blade actually slides and it cuts into this plastic right here. So I'm going to see if I can put a little pin in there to stop that. But that's the flaw in these goof-proof wall trimmers. I'm hoping they can probably put a piece of metal in here, and I'll show you that in the video where that has nothing in here to stop it. So I'm going to suggest to them that they put something in here. And then I think they already, with the knee pads, I think they already corrected that. I think a lot of people were complaining because I saw the newer ones. I think this is like, when you talk about generations, I think this might be the second generation knee pad strap. Because I know the clips, a lot of guys don't like either. The first clips that they made really weren't the best clips, but they don't break as easy. And that's these right here. These are my other knee pads that I have. But you see these clips right here, how they're different? I do the same thing with these. I cut them off and then I put like a knot right there. But see, these are actually smaller and a little softer. So these don't tear up the back of your legs like the other ones do. And it's not so much the material, it's the, well, it is the material, but what I'm saying is it's not so much the strap itself, it's the way it's made. That one has kind of like a netting on it. Like a, see right here? It's real abrasive. So, like I said, I think they did correct that though, because that one I just showed you right now, I think that was the first one they made, and then there was this one, and I think now there's another one that they made. So I think they did correct that, but they gotta correct the goof-proof wall trimmer because that is a problem. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with that yet. There's not a lot of room there to work with, but if they can just make it with the plate, that'd be better. I'm gonna show you that right now. I'm gonna do a video on it. Also for these strap covers that I bought, this is the brand, and I got these on Amazon, and that's the actual, it has the brand name there again, right here. I don't know how to pronounce that, but see that? It's right there. That's the item number. It's 8-piece motorcycle tie down. See, it says chrome surfaces, but it's kind of like, I don't know, they abbreviated everything, but it just basically, it's like what I said, to keep things from scratching when you tie it down. So really soft too. I think these are going to make a big difference. And they're ready for work now. See? Nice and soft. Ready to go.